Alright, begin. My Summer Car. The game where you fly into the air for no reason. Or when you die from pissing on the TV. Or all those other funny moments. My Summer Car is a life simulator disguised as a car building simulator. Anyway, you probably don't care about this introduction of the game, so let's jump right into My Summer Car, the finished life simulator. Uh-oh!
Vuotta täytin. Isä poltti puisen vetun